Step inside a home where timeless charm meets bold, modern design. Think dramatic windows, rustic beams, and grand fireplaces paired with vibrant art, playful floors, and light-filled spaces. From lush rooftop escapes to cozy reading nooks, every corner blends tradition with a fresh, stylish twist. A dark green door with white trim and a brick-tiled doorstep creates a classic, welcoming entry, enhanced by a symmetrical design and elegant Georgian-style fanlight. This traditional living room and dining area feature exposed wooden beams, a classic chandelier, and a rustic dining set. A herringbonewood floor adds texture, while vibrant modern art contrasts with the classic decor. This grand living room blends traditional architecture with modern furnishings, featuring a dramatic two-story window, decorative staircase, and ornate rug. Teal sofas pop against neutral walls and a classic fireplace, while modern art adds a contemporary contrast. This vibrant kitchen pairs a bold, multicolored geometric floor with mid-century modern wooden cabinetry and open shelving. Traditional trim and windows mix seamlessly with colorful, playful design for a lively, eclectic feel. This multi-story living space blends styles with a dramatic chandelier, an upper-level library, and a traditional fireplace. Cozy seating and warm details meet an open layout and abundant light, creating an airy, luxurious feel. This bedroom pairs classic romance with vibrant patterns, featuring a grand four-poster bed and a bold red and white ornate rug. Exposed wood floors, large windows, and a simple fireplace keep the space bright, blending traditional furniture with modern flair. This light-filled bathroom blends vintage charm with modern touches, featuring a freestanding sink and tub, brass fixtures, and unique lighting. A patterned rug adds warmth, while pink trim and soft wall colors create an elegant, calming atmosphere. These bedrooms feature modern low-profile bed and a striking fireplace with a rustic stone hearth and crisp white mantel. Textured plaster walls tie into the home's design, while neutral bedding and green pillows create a serene, contemporary feel. These bathrooms feature bright turquoise subway tiles that create a vibrant, energetic atmosphere. A white pedestal sink and fixtures contrast cleanly, while a large mirror and glass shower door keep the space open and modern. This cozy window seat, set in large bay windows with city skyline views, features a dark gray cushion and pillows for a modern touch. A neutral palette keeps the focus on the view, creating a stylish, light-filled nook for relaxing or reading. This rooftop terrace is an urban oasis, with lush greenery, rustic red brick flooring, and a white parasol shading a metal dining set. Peaceful and natural, it offers charming al fresco dining against the city backdrop.